Stop relying on outdated tools. The future of technology is already here. Every day, ordinary objects are being transformed into powerful, innovative gadgets that simplify our lives and enhance our experiences. Amazon has recently released some of the most useful and groundbreaking gadgets I've seen in years, yet many people aren't even aware they exist. Stay with us until the end, because we'll be showcasing gadgets that can truly elevate your daily routine, improve efficiency, and bring a new level of convenience to your life. Alpine Indoor Bubble Wall, a modern decorative water feature designed to enhance indoor spaces with a calming and luxurious atmosphere. Built with a durable acrylic structure, it creates a smooth vertical flow of bubbles illuminated by soft lighting, producing a relaxing visual effect. Its tall, slim design makes it ideal for living rooms, offices, lobbies, or reception areas without occupying much space. Powered by a standard 110-volt AC connection, it delivers continuous performance with a stable setup. With its elegant build and soothing motion, it serves as both a statement decor piece and a relaxing ambient centerpiece for any interior environment. Quantum Solar System. A beautifully crafted crystal solar system model designed to enhance home or office decor with an elegant space-inspired touch. Made with high-transparency crystal and engraved using 3D laser technology, it delivers a detailed, stereoscopic design that remains clear and fade-resistant over time. The LED lighting base offers multiple color modes, including smooth transitions and flashing effects, creating a stunning visual display. Ideal as a decorative piece or thoughtful gift, it appeals to science lovers, students, and astronomy enthusiasts. The set includes a crystal sphere, LED base, USB cable, and a premium gift box for easy presentation and use. Creality K2 printer, a next-generation 3D printing system designed for high precision, speed, and versatility. It supports multicolor printing with the ability to combine multiple units for vibrant multi-shade outputs, eliminating the need for post-print painting. The spacious build volume allows users to create a wide range of medium to large-scale models with ease. Engineered for quiet operation, it uses advanced motor and fan technology to reduce noise for a smoother working environment. With smart auto-leveling, AI-assisted monitoring, and real-time print supervision, it ensures accuracy and reliability. Its sturdy frame and advanced motion system deliver consistent, high-quality results across various materials. Razer Kishi controller, a mobile gaming controller designed to bring console-level control to smartphones. It features precision buttons, responsive analog triggers, and customizable controls for a more immersive gameplay experience. A secure extendable bridge ensures a stable fit for modern smartphones, keeping the device firmly in place during intense gaming sessions. It supports game streaming from PC and consoles, allowing users to play high-end titles directly on their phone. With low-latency wired connection and pass-through charging, it delivers smooth performance without interruptions. Built for comfort and portability, it is slim enough to carry easily while still supporting long gaming sessions with an ergonomic grip. Lepro AI Smart Lamp. This bundle includes two uniquely designed smart tabletop lamps that enhance any space with vibrant and dynamic lighting effects. Featuring RGB plus IC independent control LEDs, both lamps deliver smooth transitions and flowing rainbow color effects for a visually stunning display. Users can customize each segment individually, adjusting brightness and colors to create personalized lighting styles. The built-in music sync feature reacts to sound and rhythm, creating an immersive light show experience. With smart voice control compatibility, it easily connects to popular assistants, offering convenient hands-free operation and making it a stylish addition to any modern smart home setup. Rossetta Star Projector, a multifunctional galaxy lighting device designed to transform any room into a relaxing space experience. It combines a star projector, nightlight, white noise machine, and music player in one compact design, creating an immersive audio-visual atmosphere. With multiple vibrant colors, it projects moving stars and nebula effects that bring a calming night sky indoors. Built-in white noise sounds help promote relaxation and better sleep for both kids and adults. It also supports Bluetooth music playback with rhythm-based light effects. Easy-to-use controls and timer settings make it perfect for bedrooms, parties, and decorative home ambiance. BT20 Wingman, a rugged communication device designed for riders who need reliable connectivity in all weather conditions. Built with a waterproof design, It performs consistently through rain, dust, mud, and snow, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. It features advanced natural voice control, allowing hands-free operation so users can stay focused without pressing buttons. Simply use voice commands for full control. The magnetic air mount system ensures quick, secure attachment with ease. Combining durability, convenience, and smart voice technology, it provides a seamless communication experience for motorcyclists and long-distance riders in any environment. Tiiny Pocket Lab, a compact, power-efficient local AI computing device designed to deliver supercomputer-level performance without relying on cloud connectivity. It comes equipped with high-capacity memory, fast SSD storage, and a custom neural processing system capable of running large-scale AI models directly on the device. This enables private and secure handling of tasks such as document summarization, media analysis, transcription, coding, and data processing in real time. Despite its powerful capabilities, it remains portable and energy efficient with low power consumption. It also supports easy deployment of AI models and allows developers to build and run fully local AI workflows with advanced flexibility. Planck, a high-performance portable storage device designed for fast and reliable data handling. It uses advanced controller technology and high-quality flash memory to manage large files smoothly, supported by intelligent error correction for stable performance. With high-speed transfer capabilities, it allows quick movement of photos, videos, and large data files, significantly reducing waiting time compared to standard drives. Its plug-and-play design ensures wide compatibility across smartphones, tablets, computers, and other devices with multiple operating systems supported. It also supports high-definition video recording, making it suitable for capturing and storing large media files, all in a compact, travel-friendly form factor. FlipPhone, a next-generation foldable device designed to transform the way users multitask and interact with mobile apps. Featuring a unique multi-screen design, it allows different applications to run simultaneously across multiple displays or work together as a unified workspace. When unfolded, one section can function as a dedicated keyboard, making typing faster and more comfortable. The expanded screen layout is ideal for viewing photos, videos, documents, and creative projects side by side. This versatile design effectively turns a smartphone into a compact productivity hub, offering a desktop-like experience in a portable and highly flexible form factor. SharkGeek 300, a high-performance portable power station delivering up to 300 watts of output through multiple ports, including USB-C, USB-A, and DC connections. It is designed to power laptops, tablets, small monitors, and various electronic devices with stable efficiency. Built with a durable aluminum body and transparent design elements, it combines strength with a modern visual style enhanced by RGB lighting. A built-in display provides real-time information such as battery level, temperature, and power output, allowing easy monitoring during use at home, work, or outdoor situations. Voris Magnetic Mat, a heavy-duty magnetic workspace accessory designed to keep tools and small metal parts securely in place during repairs and assembly work. Its ultra-strong magnetic surface holds items like screws, wrenches, and drill bits firmly, even when positioned vertically, helping prevent loss or mess in busy environments. The flexible, PVC-coated design protects tools and surfaces from scratches while resisting oil, grease, and workshop liquids. Its adaptable structure allows it to conform to curved surfaces such as vehicle panels or toolboxes. With multiple organized work zones, it improves efficiency in automotive repairs, DIY projects, and general workshop use. EcoFlow Blade Mower, a fully automated robotic mower designed to make lawn care completely effortless. It can handle large yards up to 3,000 square meters and connects quickly to your smartphone for easy control and monitoring. Equipped with 4G GPS and eSIM connectivity, it maps its mowing path and tracks progress in real time. Built-in rain detection automatically pauses operation during bad weather, while advanced X-Vision and RTK technology help it detect obstacles and adjust its route instantly. It can also support a sweeping attachment to collect leaves, sticks, and debris, keeping your lawn perfectly maintained without any manual effort. Xmars Cube, a modern smart puzzle device designed for both beginners and advanced users, combining classic gameplay with interactive digital features. Instead of traditional colored stickers, it uses built-in LED lighting to guide users step by step with real-time hints. It includes an automatic scrambling function to keep challenges fresh, along with a built-in timer for speed-solving practice. Users can replay their solving process or activate an automatic solve mode through simple controls. Adjustable brightness and sensitivity enhance the experience, while additional smart features allow it to function as an alarm or even a decorative desk piece for everyday use. Retractable Charger, a multi-device in-car charging solution designed to keep your journey powered without cable mess. It features built-in retractable cables that extend smoothly when needed and automatically retract after use, helping maintain a clean and organized interior. Multiple charging ports allow simultaneous power delivery to several devices, including smartphones and small electronics, with smart distribution for stable performance. Designed for standard vehicle power sockets, it ensures reliable charging even on rough roads with a durable, shock-resistant build. With wide compatibility and an easy plug-and-play setup, it provides a practical way to keep all essential devices charged and ready during travel. Lufi X1 Display, a smart plug-in display that connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and unlocks real-time engine data that is normally hidden. Once installed, it shows key performance information such as speed, RPM, turbo boost, engine temperature, and fuel statistics on a single screen. It continuously monitors engine health and provides instant alerts if it detects issues like overheating or unusual performance spikes. It can also measure acceleration timing for performance testing. With simple plug-and-play installation, it converts complex engine diagnostics into clear, live visuals, helping you understand your vehicle's condition and performance at every moment while driving. Robotic Arm Kit, a programmable robotic arm system designed for learning, experimentation, and practical automation tasks. It features multiple high-quality metal gear servos that enable smooth, multi-directional movement, allowing precise control for grabbing, lifting, rotating, and placing objects. The wrist, elbow, and base joints offer wide rotational flexibility, making it capable of complex motion control. Built on an open-source platform with a dedicated control board, it supports graphical programming for easy learning and customization. It comes with detailed assembly guidance and coding resources, making it ideal for developing hands-on skills in robotics, electronics, and programming through interactive STEM-based projects. Lua Smart Planter, a smart self-watering planter designed to take the guesswork out of plant care. It uses a capillary wick system to deliver the right amount of water automatically, while built-in sensors monitor soil moisture, temperature, and light conditions in real time. An interactive display shows emotional style indicators that reflect the plant's status, helping you easily understand its needs. It also includes guided growth support with customizable care schedules for different plant types and growth stages. Additional features like time, date, alarm functions, and backup power ensure reliable daily use, making plant care simple, interactive, and stress-free for any user. AI Box CarPlay, a plug-and-play wireless in-car entertainment adapter that transforms your vehicle's display into a smart multimedia hub. It comes preloaded with popular streaming platforms, allowing instant access to movies, shows, and videos through a simple hotspot connection. Beyond built-in apps, it supports additional app installation, letting you customize your in-car experience with social media, music, and utility apps. It enables seamless switching between wireless phone mirroring and smart driving modes, with voice control for navigation, calls, and media. Designed with expandable storage, dual-band connectivity, and wide vehicle compatibility, it delivers smooth, cable-free entertainment and smart functionality on every drive. MILESEEE GenePro, a high-precision golf distance measuring device designed to improve accuracy and course performance in all playing conditions. It features a bright AMOLED display that remains clear even under direct sunlight, along with intuitive touch controls for easy navigation. Real-time distance readings to the front, center, and back of the green help with better club selection and strategy. Advanced slope-adjusted calculations account for elevation and environmental conditions for more accurate results, with a toggle option for tournament play. It also offers fast target locking with vibration feedback for confidence at long range, while weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in rain, fog, and challenging outdoor environments. Aura Triple Arrow Monitor, a portable multi-screen workstation designed to instantly expand a laptop into a high-productivity setup. It features three 15.6-inch Full HD IPS displays with vibrant color accuracy, wide viewing angles, and built-in eye comfort technology for long working sessions. The system connects through a single cable or multiple video inputs, making setup quick and flexible across different devices. Each screen can function independently or in mirrored mode to enhance multitasking efficiency. Built with a durable aluminum frame and adjustable support stand, it ensures stability while remaining travel-friendly, making it ideal for professionals who need an expanded workspace anywhere. So these were some of the most innovative gadgets that can completely transform your ride. Which one would you grab first to level up your experience?